Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kokum Sherbet. We'll start by selecting the best Kokum fruit, then move on to preparing a delicious syrup. Next, we'll combine everything to create a vibrant, refreshing concentrate. Finally, I'll show you how to dilute and serve this delightful beverage, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a taste of summer. First, carefully wash your kokum fruit under running water to remove any impurities. Then, soak the cleaned kokum in about 2 cups of water for at least 4 hours, or even overnight to soften it. This step is crucial for easy pulp extraction. Once softened, gently squeeze out all the pulp and juice, separating it from the seeds and skin. Now, let's prepare the simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Let it cool completely. Once cooled, add your prepared kokum extract to the syrup. For an extra layer of flavor, consider blending in a pinch of roasted cumin powder or a touch of cardamom. To serve your delicious kokum sherbet, simply take about 1/4 cup of the concentrate and dilute it with 1 cup of chilled water. Adjust the ratio to your preferred sweetness and tartness. Add plenty of ice cubes to make it extra refreshing. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh mint leaves or a thin slice of lemon. Enjoy your homemade, vibrant drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.